Hello everyone, so today I'm going to review an app called Zest Money. I will tell you about my experience with Zest Money, how to use Zest Money, how to create a voucher and use it on Flipkart, Amazon and other e-commerce websites. Like I have also used Zest Money for purchasing a product and I created a voucher of 30,000. Let me show you. I got a limit of 30,000 and I use it on Flipkart. Like you have to create a voucher like this. Like right now my credit limit is 9,336. I can create a voucher for 9,336. But this voucher is valid only for 1 year. You have to use this voucher for 1 year on Flipkart only. You cannot change from Flipkart to Amazon or other e-commerce website, and you once you create the voucher you are not eligible for canceling this voucher. You are forced to use this voucher with Flipkart only, so keep this in mind before get creating a voucher code. And now talking about the no cost EMI part, I think it's a scam. Like I created a voucher of total 30,000 rupees and this is how much I have to pay for the first month, 10,790 rupees. I paid 790 rupees extra, and for the second month 436, and for third month 844. So the total extra amount which I'm paying to them, that is going to be around, I'm sorry, 436 plus 844. This is the extra amount which I'm going to pay to Zest Money. And Zest Money, I contacted their support and they told me the extra amount which I'm going to pay them, they will refund in the form of cashback if I do the payment on time. My due date is on 5th July. If I do the payment on time, then I will getting a cashback of 790 rupees. But let me show you what the scam here is. Okay, so the first they asked me bank account statement for 3 months, and I sent them bank account statement many times, and now they are asking me bank account statement for 4 months, and again I send them bank account statement, and they ask me bank account statement again and again. I have sent them many times. I'm fed up with their process, and you can check how many times I contacted them, and they are not helping me, and they will never ever give you cash back if you take loan from Zest EMI. So I recommended you to never use Zest Money and never to fall for their trap. It's a scam. You guys will report Zest Money. See, you can check. They're asking from 20th March till 21st June, and on the here they were asking for 3 months, and earlier also they were asking for bank account statement, and I have sent the bank account statement many times. You can check on my sent items. Like I have sent the bank account statement here on 10th of June for 3 months, and they will never going to process your cash back. So I recommend you use a regular credit card instead of this Zest EMI credit card. I'm sorry, this is not a credit card. Zest EMI voucher. They tell you that it is a no cost EMI, but it is never going to be a no cost EMI. You always have to pay extra, like 790, 436, 844, and they are never going to process your cash back. You always remember that. So my advice, stay away from this shit. And I have installed this app, and also reviewed them on Zest Money. So let me install the app, and have a great day. Bye.